my name is Ruby and welcome to my channel Rubylicious. Like and subscribe if you like to see DIYs, mom hacks, and lifestyle videos. Today I'm participating in Christina DIY Mommy's DIY Decor Challenge for Spring 2019. I went ahead and DIY'd every single thing except for the mantle that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to show you how to DIY a lemon wreath, a couple of shutters, a DIY sign, and some flower swag. So let's get it started. I got my greenery from the Dollar Tree and these squishy lemons from the Dollar Tree. I cut the squishy lemons in half. Then I hot glued the leaves onto the wreath that I've had. Then the lemons. Got the wreath from the Dollar Tree. I was inspired by the wreath, saw it at Walmart, and it was like $16, and I thought, well, I can actually make this for cheaper.
I actually got a box of little lemons at Walmart for about $2 or $3 a box to add to my wreath.
And for the most part, it looks pretty accurate. It was really, really cute.
I went ahead and got 4 picture frames from the Dollar Tree. These specific ones have thick parameters, so I thought they looked like shutters. I used popsicle sticks from Walmart. Go ahead and remove the backing, which was quite easy. Eventually you're going to end up taking off the wires on 2 of the frames. I lined up about 10 to 11 popsicle sticks, went ahead and measured each one to the back of the picture frame. Used a straight edge and scissors to cut. Quite easy to cut, actually. I was surprised. I thought these were going to be more difficult, but the only thing is with cutting them, the chips of wood just fly everywhere, so just be careful. Basically, I double checked to see the size if it fit before I glued it on with my glue stick, and I used a lot of glue sticks. Go ahead and just figure out what angle you want. I kind of wanted that look where it was almost closed but not completely closed shutters, and you'll see I'll use a straight edge to measure the distance so I know that they're equal on both sides. All you do is glue them one at a time, hold it in place till the glue dries, and it was pretty sturdy actually. My brother actually told me it looks like a vent in the ceiling or on the floor. I told him, no, I'm making shutters. So basically you repeat this 4 times. Now you'll see me use wood glue to attach them. I was trying to make 2 pairs originally and I forgot that I was doing that. So I had to separate both sides vertically. I reinforced them with extra popsicle sticks. Moving on to our flower swag. I used peonies from the Dollar Tree, rope from Dollar Tree. There was a total of 6 peonies, and I had 2 extra white flowers. I thought they were daisy looking. I really don't know the name, from fall. In the bouquet of peonies, I split them in half, 3 and 3 on each side. Then I placed these white flowers on both sides. And then I had extra dried eucalyptus from a flower setting I had in Thanksgiving. So I got a couple of branches, placed one on each side. I was going to use a rubber band to keep it together so when I wrapped the rope around, it would stay. Go ahead and use the rope, and I just used it to wrap around. Cut it off and then glued it. I could have made it fuller, but I did it thinner on purpose because my mantle is so small that I did not want it to be overbearing. And there's my flower swag. Ta-da! Voila! Next, for the farmhouse style sign, I went on Cricut Design and searched for farmhouse, and in the images this was already made. So it says, fill a house with love and it becomes a home. I just really like that saying. I used craft paper that I got from clearance at Target. It was actually supposed to be for Thanksgiving, but I decided to use it like a scroll. Printed out my design on vinyl. I'm actually using a fondant scraper and then like a carpenter scraper, and that works just as great as the Cricut tool. I used some of the remaining rope, pulled it through, and I'm just eyeballing it, making a knot on the top. We'll hang that sign under the lemon wreath that we made. And here you go. We got those nice peony flower swagger. The only thing I did not DIY was that wooden mantle, and I got that from Hobby Lobby about 3 years ago, and it was like $15. Like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.